Well, thank you so much for joining us yet again here on Film Speak. My name is Andy Ruri. Last week we looked at Kenyanjui Kombani, and this week we're going to look at yet another alumni from Kenyatta University who benefited greatly from the Culture Week. His name is Mung'ala Mbuvi. Take a look.
Bringing you back to the 254, here's a track that was released in 2016.
A man as cool as a cucumber and smooth on the mic.
It is Rish featuring Atsula Habits.
A multi-talented voice artist.
My name is Mung'ala Mbuvi on XFM on a 5.5 home run, keeping it real, playing you awesome tracks as usual.
During his heydays at Kenyatta University, Mung'ala Mbuvi was a darling on the microphone.
And I remember the first time the curtains opened and we stepped on stage, seeing the huge crowd of about, I think, there must have been at least 5,000 students there. It was an awesome crowd, a huge crowd. And then, of course, my lecturers were there. The Vice Chancellor was watching. It was one of those moments that will stick with me forever. It was an amazing performance. Everyone gave us a standing ovation. For me, to be honest, I almost cried because that was the first time that I saw authentic love from a crowd that doesn't even know you personally, doesn't know your story, but they have seen your talent, they have seen your performance, and they were just wowed. For an artist, if you do not cry at such a point, I don't know when you will ever cry.
The radio presenter over the years has perfected his art. But what were the traits that he carried from the Kenyatta University Culture Week?
Culture Week taught me that life has got so much more than just our academics, than just our professional lives. There's so much more color in life, and that life is all about fun.
And what are his thoughts on the role the Culture Week plays to young artists?
Everyone who goes through Culture Week gets an experience that you cannot get anywhere else. Number one, it teaches you how to control yourself in terms of how you react to a crowd, because there's a huge crowd in Kenyatta University. And as a performer, you will always meet huge crowds, whether you're going to be on radio or on TV, and they're going to either love you or they're going to hate you. So the experience that you go through and you come out at the other end, the person that you become after that, you become an amazing person. And I think Culture Week has molded a lot of people, including myself, into who we are today. Culture Week will give you a different perspective of life.
And his message to the participants is,
so if you're going through Culture Week right now, just have the most fun. Be the best you can be in your field. If you're going to do poetry, if you're going to do singing, if you're going to do dances, if you're going to do plays, whatever it is that you're going to do, just make sure you have fun and interact with as many people as you can, because out here when you leave university, you're going to meet some of those people and they might just be what you need to get to the next level.
Now that's Mung'ala Mbuvi for you. A very funny man if you ask me. If you want to find out more about him, do follow him on his different social media pages. Now next week we still have one last bit left of the Kenyatta University Culture Week 2018. So do remember to share this link, like it, leave a comment, and we'll get right back to you. From the Afrikan Film Centre, this is Film Speak.